up, you guys? It's your girl Suzie, back again with another video. Alright, you guys, I know you're thinking like, girl, what's up with that hair? I'm gonna need you to get it together. Anyways, this is a look, okay? This is a look. I don't care what anybody says. This is a look when you're at home. All right. So I parted out my hair. It took a very, very long time for me to part out my hair because I wanted to make it small as possible. I mean, you could see a little bit. The hardest part about parting out your hair or doing your hair by yourself is trying to see the back of your head. And I don't know, like it's a process. Like I have a mirror, like, you know, in the bathroom, it's like a mirror up against the wall, and then like I have a standing mirror that I put on top of the sink. Don't judge me, y'all, don't judge me, so that I can see the back of my head. But it helps. It really does help. Whew, I'm tired. I'm tired. I didn't even start my hair yet. So the goal is to put some box braids. There's a short clip on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me at ITSS_Suzie. It's gonna be right here. Go ahead and follow me and you'll see this video of me doing my box braids, but they're like a little bit bigger, a lot bigger than what I'm doing now. So I never really had small box braids, and I just feel like, oh, let me go ahead and try it, and you know, like, yeah. So yeah, here's like a short clip of that video doing my box braids right here. Okay, so all right, let's get into the video. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That subscribe button, y'all see it right here? Hit that subscribe button, and next to it, it is a bell. Tap that bell and hit all notifications so that when I upload a video, you'll get notified right away. All right, let's get into the video. So here we have is our pre-stretched hair, which by far is the most amazingest, awesomest thing that anybody could have ever done in a hairstylist's life, because this saves so much time in trying to stretch this dang hair. Oh my gosh, y'all don't understand. Y'all don't understand, okay? My cousin put me on. She put me on low key, cause when I be doing her hair, it be like, y'all understand. This knock off some time, baby. This knock off some time. All right. I'm gonna be using this hair. I don't necessarily need scissors. The only thing I need scissors for is to cut the rubber band off of the hair, and that's it. I just dive right in. What else? And what I use to grease my scalp, because I need to get some other grease. We're gonna go back in the days and use our good old Blue Magic. It's really good. I normally I like the one with the it says tea tree oil, something like that. It has a better smell. This one kind of, I don't know, it's just, I already used it in my head. Like I already parted out my hair and this is what I use. It has, I don't know, this one kind of made me throw up a little bit. I don't know why. Like, it just, not throw up, actual throw up. It just, I don't know, something off about it. But the other one, I'm gonna put a picture right here of the other one, and yeah, y'all should try that. Not this one, no. All right.
No.
So, all right, let's speed this up. All right, let's actually get into me doing my hair, right? Right. Because I spent so many hours. Okay, I'm just gonna start talking now, and I'm just gonna do my hair. And you guys are gonna listen to wonderful music that is not going to be copyrighted. YouTube. It's going to be some instrumental pop. Don't even know what the music gonna be.
Know what the music gonna be, but hopefully y'all liking it.
And yeah. Oh, by the way, y'all like my glasses? These are glasses that I never really wear because I feel like I look like a super gigantic nerd, but I'm cute, right? It's like I'm trying too hard. Yeah, like I hate my glasses because like on this side it really hurts. I don't know why. I just need new frames, but I don't know why I keep doing that. All right, let's get into this video for real. For real. All right, I'm gonna do my hair because I'm procrastinating right now. Bye. Well, not bye, but you get what I mean, right? I also like to use this for now on my hair, but only because it sticks. I just hate that it gets so white. Like, what the heck? What the heck? Want y'all to know that it may look like I did this all in one shot, but I did not. Your girl went to sleep. I did. I probably got like I got like right here and then I stopped. It's a whole new day. Like I woke up and I'm like, dang, I gotta finish my hair. I gotta stop playing. Like I really gotta finish my hair. I procrastinate so much, and that's what happens when you know how to do your own hair, and you just can take however long you want. But I'm really snapping on myself on the inside. Like,
girl, you taking forever. Like, girl.
Y'all ever get y'all hair done and then they be like, oh, they just be taking so long, and then you
just like, oh my God, how many she got left? Like, bro, like, girl, how many? How many do you got left?
I can't take it. But do anybody do this? Like, y'all not even nowhere near done, but you just, girl, I'm cute. I can go out like this and everybody be like,
who did your hair? Because you look bomb.
Girl, bye. I did it. All right, let me get back to it. I just had to show y'all how I be feeling when I do my hair. All right, we're gonna speed this up. Oh my God. I always wanted to do like an ASMR, you guys. I know what you're thinking. I'm supposed to be doing my hair, but girl, I'm hungry. Like, I always try to make something quick so that I don't take too much time on making something that's gonna fill my stomach, rather than something I could just snack on. And this is what I chose. So good. So good. But y'all know that feeling when your hair is done and you shower and you have a nice big meal? I wish I can get to that. Right now, this is gonna have to do. My hair is not done.
This thing. This thing good. This thing right here.
So, I thought I had hair in my mouth. Oh, y'all. I use like a lot of syrup, but I'm actually kind of running out of syrup because I use too much syrup. So I figured, let me just put a little bit. A little bit on the plate. Well, I have no manners. I'm not supposed to be talking with my mouth full. It's so good. All right, we're gonna get back in the video. Thank you for watching though. If you made it this far, you're a real one. Comment down below if you like French toast sticks. That way I know that you're a real one. And if you don't like French toast sticks, oh well. Still comment down below. I'm a whole joke. Alright, I'm gonna finish this and we're gonna go back to regular programming. Be careful.
I'm about to hot water her hair. So she won't leave me alone about it.
He's so aggy. Y'all like, oh my god, it's not, can you, all that in my background. First of all, we made a channel. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel where you can see more of me and more of him all at the same time. Isn't that right?
All right.
Right. Okay. Be sure to subscribe, hit that bell for post notifications where whenever we upload a video, you'll be notified right away. Alright you guys, so I forgot to close out the video, but go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. comment down below, post notification gang. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for post notifications. Whenever I upload a video, you'll be notified right away. My hair looks bomb. Thank you for already, admitting to that. Anyways, thank you for helping me hot water my hair.
No, we both looking good.
You a real one. And I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and our channel. The link the link will be in the description down below. I'm sorry. I just have so much energy. And all right, bye. See you in the next video. What?
She don't want me to close out with y'all no more. Cause she know
we already have our own channel.
Oh,
so I told them to subscribe. Stop
know.
being silly, but I couldn't come up with any names.
All right, bye. Flash time.
All right, bye.